Hey everyone, my name is Natalia Shmueli, and we are doing our monthly March stream for Maghni AI. So, as you probably can very much tell, this is a pre recorded stream, and we are doing that for two reasons. One of it being that we've been working really hard on this, and there's been a lot of time that we have to, delegate to the time to do these live streams. And secondly, personal lives. And thirdly, we have been, we wanted to always make sure that you guys will always have these live streams available. So this one will be a little bit shorter, but it's going to be much more concise, and we will still be able to take questions in the comments that we can answer. Okay, so firstly, I will handle it off to Barham Karim.
Hello everyone, I'm Barham Karim, the developer for the Maghni engine. This month we've been working on our pitch suggestion model. We've been trying to improve its performance so it can better capture the singing style of different voice providers. Other than that, we have been doing research on our voice color functionality, and we're currently doing an experimental training run on an Oliver choir library.
Yes, and
That's
it
been my updates this month.
yes, and it sounds phenomenal. It is an amazing sounding library. He sounds phenomenal. It's gonna knock your guys' socks off, and Barham's been doing an amazing job at that. Okay, and next we have some backend update with Kaleb.
Hi everyone, my name is Caleb, and I am the software engineer behind the backend editor for Maghni. I'm also the project manager, and I'm the CEO of AltVox LLC. I've been working hard to bring you a UI that truly feels fun and useful for people who want to use Maghni. So most of my time has been spent doing editor maintenance. Since we changed our gears a bit back, our previous UI wasn't exactly up to par, so we've been revamping it quite a lot to bring you an amazing and unique experience using Maghni. Unfortunately, this does mean I have to re-implement quite a few things so that we can migrate over to our new systems and give you a safe and stable software. I've also been working on the adaptive linguistic system. It allows you to use any phoneme set you wish with your vocals, and for example, if you don't wish to use the default Xampa that is shipped with each library, you can use Arpabet, you can use Romaji, you can use Pinyin, you could use the proprietary format that Yamaha uses in their synthesizer, whatever you're comfortable with. This linguistic system also allows for voices to cross-link together relatively easily with minimal fuss. The timing model has also been fully finished. It learns using a programmatically defined AI to pull timings from raw recordings. They can match up with perfect natural timings without any hallucinations or the vowel wobbling across note lines, providing you with a sleek timing output that matches the original singer's vocals perfectly. And lastly, and most excitingly, we're also preparing for our first live editor demo. We want to surprise you with a ton of updates from our UI and UX designer Aku, and we hope that you're excited for them as we are. They're quite a lot. We've been working so hard on it, and I'm so excited for you to see the fruits of our labor. Yeah,
Yes,
that's it for me otherwise.
yes, you've been doing amazing. Everyone's been doing so much so fast. It feels like we're on a roller coaster. It's been so fast and exciting. So next, we have some linguistics updates from me. So once again, hi, I'm Natalia Shmueli. I am the head of MISPA Studios, and I also do the linguistics for Maghni AI. So my updates are that we have been implementing Spanish and French into the base model itself, working alongside our unique LanguageNet model. And we have also been doing a lot related to that. We have been, for Japanese and Mandarin, we have also been finishing those up as well. But for, especially for all of those four languages, we have been implementing unique methodologies to make sure that those languages will always work with you. Especially for CJK languages, there's been a lot of issues in the past where synthesizers kind of treated every single language the same, where they don't really morph to the use cases of the musician or singer songwriter. An example in French would be liaison, where the consonant of the last word will be morphed into the vowel of the next word, where it normally would not be if it is in a standoff position. So we have been working uniquely for that. It has been, I don't know if it's, does it sound bad to say it's been fun? It's been fun. It's been a very enjoyable experience. We've been having a great time working on that. I get to do something I love, and they say if you do something you love, you never have to work a day in your life. And so I guess work is fun for me. So next, Austin, would you like to talk about some voice library updates?
I totally would. Hey guys, I'm Gregory Austin Grissom, and I'm the CEO of Vocatone Studio, and I am here to tell you guys all about what's new with our voice libraries. So to start off, we are going to be pushing back the Arm and Oliver duet demo by a couple months in order to focus completely on Audine, her development, and the demos. So please look forward to those. The development of Audine is wrapping up this month, and we are so excited to show you what we have in store with her. It's great. Arm Spanish recording is also being finalized, so that's a bit spicy. Glossier recording has also started. If you remember her from the Indiegogo campaign, her silhouette is as stunning as her voice. And in more exciting news with our voice libraries, the first Altbox library is 100% completed. Oh my goodness, you guys are going to go crazy. And the other library utilizing her voice is roughly 50% done. So we're getting there. So super quick, moving right back to our libraries. As you may have remembered or not, but just a reminder that every single Vocatone library, every single one of their languages comes with a unique design. And so we would love to share some of those designs with you. So from the left, this is Oliver Japanese. Next to him is Audine Mandarin, and right next to her is Arm Spanish. Since, we have more languages than those, we do have more designs than these. Now, we are still finalizing them, so you will be able to see them either later tonight or later tomorrow, but they're coming on, and Crossy Lloyd has been working so hard on these, and I can tell you, you guys are going to be obsessed with them, so I'm so excited for you guys to see them. Please stay tuned, but before I go and give the talking stick back to Natalia, I have one more big announcement to share. Earlier this year, or earlier, I think last month, we did share Vocal A and Vocal I, which were Soundcake LLC's debut libraries. We saw the reception was wonderful, and we are so happy to announce we got the green light from Soundcake LLC to show you more stuff about them. And here he is. This is Vocal A, whose official name is Arctos. He is a super cool, super fluffy, magical bear, and his voice, oh my goodness, wonderful. I am not allowed to show you Vocal I's design, but I can tell you that her name is Maghni. The reason I can't show you her design is because Soundcake LLC strongly values working with a voice provider to create a product that both reflects the voicer and is something that they're comfortable with and is personalized to them. So please look forward to her, and please look forward to Arctos. You're going to love them. And what ends up with this project is going to be amazing. Now, as promised, I would love to pass the speaking stick to Natalia because we have one more reveal for you guys today.
So, guys, you guys have been curious about what we've been doing at MISPA, so I wanted to show you one of the first demos of one of our libraries, Donovan. Donovan is kind of a unique kind of balance to a lot of the other libraries that we've been working on. A lot of them have been mostly American accented. In the case of Aram, which has a Latin American Spanish accent, specifically Mexican. And in the case of Glossia, having a Brazilian Portuguese accent. Donovan is a British, very masculine vocal with a lovely European Spanish accent, with, a gorgeous Portuguese accent. He is phenomenal, and I would love to show you a demo. This is a re-rendered sample from Maghni using Donovan's voice.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
So there he is. It's a short little ditty, but we are so excited to show you more of him, and I think he's going to be just... I'm so proud of him. I feel a little bit embarrassed to say, but I am beaming with pride over how his project has been going. So, what's next? Further improvements on the pitch suggestion model. So we've been working very hard on that, making that a very streamlined process so that the voicer's pitch will always be maintained within the voicer and making it unique and different from everyone else. We have been developing the end of the voice color development pipeline. It has been, a great process. It's been very good there. We have been working on, once again, the full Mandarin and Japanese implementation, which includes, of course, working with that, possibly, in the future, I would love to do even implementing tokenization. That is a huge feature that we're looking at. And, have been also working on the Audine demos. We have one coming out later this month, and it's really, really cute. It is a very cute song. We have also been rounding up Arm's Spanish development. So he's been, finished recording, and now we just got to program him. And that has been, Arm's fun. Arm's a fun library to work with. And finally, Oliver Japanese. He's been, finished recording, and now we just got to program him, and he is just a delight. Oliver is a delight, as always. And we are very, very happy with how all of this has been going. It's been hitting the ground running. It's just been phenomenal. So we wanted to just tell you guys thank you, and we wanted to thank you for all that you've done for us and supported us. And we will be seeing you next month.
See you next month.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.